Hey Bells, it's MelissaDanielle. I'm coming to you guys with another contact lens review. This time I'm working with a new company. They're called just4kira. Just4kira. I'll put it on the screen and I'll also put it down below in the description bar. All the contact lenses I'm going to be showing you in this video will be linked down below in the order that I'm showing them to you. So far, I'm loving all of them, but I'm going to show you guys clips of me wearing. I've been wearing them all week, so I'm going to tell you guys each color, the fit, comfort level, all that good stuff. Just4kira gave you guys a discount code for 20% off. Okay, 20% off. So just use my name, Melissa11. So Melissa11, and you can save 20% on your purchase. Let's get into this video. So Bells, let's get into these lenses. The first pair I'm wearing are called Vision Gray. They have a slight blue tint to them, so on camera they look more blue than they do in person, but in person they do look more gray. They're very comfortable on the eyes. These are a 12-month lens, so you can wear them for a whole year. Actually, I think all the lenses in this video are 12-month lenses, so you get a year worth of wear out of them. So beautiful, so natural looking. Well, I love this pair. Next up is Neela Brown Boo Boo. Oh my gosh. These lenses are so spectacular. For one thing, they have like a light brown center and then like a dark ring on the outside. So like your eyes like pop out. They look so beautiful and these look super natural, you guys. Like I would love these in like a more of a hazel tone as well. I think it would be really beautiful as well. That little ring on the outside is just doing everything for me, boo boo. When I wore these, I just felt so freaking gorgeous that day, you guys. These are definitely my top 5 contact lenses right here. So next up, we have the color Luna Green. And like I said, these are a 12-month lens, so you can wear them for a whole year. These are very vibrant, you guys. Like, they are so green. They're very, very beautiful. I know on camera it probably looks like a superhero green, but it does not look like that in person. Something about the saturation, I think because I'm wearing so much pink, I don't know. But they are a true green color, very vibrant. And I love the texture that they placed on these lenses. It makes them look like more in-depth, more natural looking. You guys can sort of see the print and pattern, sort of like a screen print on there. They're very comfortable as well. I wore all my lenses for several hours over the course of a week here. So I tried all of them out. They're very, very comfortable, very pretty. You guys can see my expression. I love these lenses. I wanted to show you guys how they look before I put it in so that way you guys can get an idea of it. These ones look true gray. Like the other ones have a slight blue tint to them, the Vision Gray ones do. But the Luna Gray does not have that to them at all. They're just plain gray and they're so pretty. I don't know how to describe them. They're just really pretty. Just know that. Just go with it, guys. They're gorgeous. So I wanted to show you guys my natural eye versus the contact lens over it so you guys can see the transformation. Like my eyes are brown and they look like they're gray now because of these contact lenses. The lenses come with cases that you can put your lenses in, so I'm just showing you guys what the cases look like. So right now in my hand I have the Luna Gray and then the Alpha Green. I want to show you guys the different patterns on the lenses so that way you guys can see how they look before you put them in your eyes. Definitely different patterns, different paint. I don't want to call it pink, that sounds weird because they're contact lenses, but there's definitely a different print on the lenses. The Alpha Green ones have a sort of tunnel, like a hole in the middle, so that you can only see through that hole. So I was going to do a voiceover for this part, but I just had to come on camera and say how shook I am by this freaking lens. First of all, I normally don't wear lenses like this because they're coated, meaning that it sort of gives you tunnel vision, like you can only see through this little outlet here. I have astigmatism, so my contacts tend to move around, so I normally don't wear lenses like this. I wear ones that are more see-through, like the Luna gray ones here. You can sort of see through them. But let me tell you this, I have never ever seen a lens that was painted on that looks like this. This looks so realistic, so in depth, so vibrant. It's like light is shining through it. I'm sorry, I'm looking in my mirror, which is right here. But it's like light is shining through it, and then the color, everything is amazing about it. I'm shook. I did not know it was gonna look like that. I thought it was gonna look like those cheap beauty supply store lenses, because like those typically are the ones that are painted like this. But this does not look like that at all. It looks so amazingly fantastic. Oh my God, I'm so sad I can't wear these. Like, oh my God. Okay, I'll be back, guys. So I went ahead and put in both lenses because I just had to see how it looks. Oh my gosh, you guys. If my eye watering, please forgive me. I just put these on. Look at that. They're so gorgeous, and it's so, I gotta look in the mirror real quick. Hold a minute, you guys. I feel like I should be in like Queen of the Damned or something like that. I feel like I should be in some kind of like vampire movie or something. Like, oh baby, these are giving such vibes. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so shook. I don't think you guys understand. They like glow, they're electric, they are beautiful. Get your life, boo-boo, get your life. So these are the Aurora Blue ones. Let me show you guys. These ones are also coated. So these ones are also coated like the alpha green ones, but the opening is bigger in the center. So my eye is watering right now because I normally put my contact lenses in before I do my makeup, but I want to show you guys all these lenses in one video, so I gotta keep popping them in and out. Anyways, I want to show you guys the lens now. This is the Aurora Blue. I want to show you how it looks compared to my natural eyes. I have brown eyes, but you guys can see how bright and vibrant this color is. It's not muddy, it's not dark. You can still see light emanating from it, which I don't understand. It's gorgeous, and there's like so many different lines and texture to it, so it just makes it look so freaking natural. So I have both lenses in right now. I wanted to show you, oh my God, the color is so beautiful. If my lash starts lifting, please forgive me, guys. I just tried on 3 different pairs and my eyes are watering, so it's messing up the glue. So don't come for me in the comments. Don't do that to me, sis. I thought these were gonna be on the bottom of my list with alpha green because they were painted and I have to focus on that little hole in the middle, but I can see through these without no problems, and they look so, look at my smile. I'm happy, girl. They're gorgeous, you guys. They're absolutely gorgeous. The color, the texture on the lens, the coverage, they are so beautiful. They make such a freaking statement. Like, guys, you can't help but feel gorgeous in these lenses. I'm sorry. I'm in love. Okay, Belle, so that is all the lenses for today's video. I will make sure to link everything down below in the description bar. So all the lenses will be down below in the description bar. Don't forget, you can save 20% off with my discount code Melissa11. So Melissa11. I don't know why it's like that. It's like weird. But yeah, Melissa11, and you save 20% off your purchase. So everything is down below in the description bar. I love you guys. I will see you next video. Until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah.